Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC AGON Q27G3XMN-BK 27-inch WQHD mini-LED. So friend, it will boast 27-inch fast VA panel with QHD resolution, delivering a high pixel density that ensure sharp text and images. It features mini-LED backlighting with 336 dimming zone, achieving VESA DisplayHDR 1000 certification, which translates into rich blacks and vibrant highlights within the same frame. With 10-bit color depth, and the monitor support 1.07 billion colors and offers over 95% DCI P3 color gamut coverage. And friend, this monitor that combines mini-LED technology with exceptional gaming performance at a competitive price point. And key features include mini-LED backlight with 136 dimming zone and VESA DisplayHDR 1000 certified, high pixel density for crisp text and images. This monitor stands out with its 180Hz refresh rate and remarkable 1 millisecond G2G response time. These features cater to competitive gamers seeking a competitive edge. And friend, it is engineered to provide a top-tier HDR experience with immersive color accuracy, all at an attractive price point. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.